Welcome to the Path of Peace series for what truly matters most. We are going to have this kind of be the umbrella over our family rescue series for Unplug to Plug In the Connection series, and also for the family rescue mission for addictions period. And it will also encompass everything in the highway channel from the Never Alone Way. We're going to use our supporting tools of the reset, going from regulating your nervous system to recognizing and remembering and reconnecting with the truth, then recognizing what we need to change, admit, confess. Then we go on to, after we recognize, we have to rewrite, replace the lies. We have to name them. And then we align with the truth. And it's the weeds. Either we're going to pick the weeds that are on top. Those come from the lies in the world. Or there's the truth, the wisdom, the laws that we cannot break. And those bring the rewards, the plants, the beautiful plants, the flowers versus the weeds. And we've got to get to the root of all of it. So we do what we call is a bold reproof, course corrections. And both of those, the series and the mission for Unplug and Addictions, include that. Then we also are going to use our tools with the reset, as I was mentioning. Once we replace those lies with the truth, we've got to rewrite them. We've got to reprogram them in our mind and our body, in our brain and our body, the neurons in our body. We have to, through repetition, consistency, continuously do this. So then, lastly, the sixth is the fruit. We get to rest and we get to have the peace instead of the chaos, confusion, and conflicts. Instead of the disease, the disaster, and the destructions, we get to have the peace, the calm, the harmony. And we also use quiet time. You can look up our video on our site or on our YouTube channel. And quiet time is one of the most valuable tools we know of. Please do check it out. Please ask us with any questions. Lastly, we have what we call Be Pal and We Cool. Be Cool. Pal is to practice, apply, and live the wisdom, the truths, and also to be cool. Not the COOL, the KUL, to know, understand, and live. Because just to know it does no good. Or you may even understand it, but if we do not live it, if we do not practice, apply, and live it through repetition and consistency, then everything stays the same. The definition of insanity. And we're going to build this on a strong foundation, a rock foundation, as Jesus and the Bible and God. And instead of the weeds, we're going to, or in sand, we're going to build this on the truth, the wisdom. And this is of timeless ancient wisdom from the beginning of time, even back before the Bible, from around the world. There is ancient wisdom that has not changed for families, for people. And this is global. This is all people. This is not just families or not just one region or not just one age. It's not just one gender, male or female. It is for everyone. And the core teaching engine is what truly matters most. Let's look at right here and right now. There's the future, which can bring anxiety, in which, yes, we need to plan, but we know that God, or if you want to call it the universe, or you want to call it the creator, the almighty intelligence, the divine intelligence, the infinite intelligence, it may be different for everyone around the world, but it's all the same. There is one that this is how nature works, how every living thing works. Every living person, animal, everything lives under this. And it's amazing because we can get the rewards. We don't have to have those consequences. It's up to us. So we're going to invite you, instead of the school of hard knocks, we're going to choose the school of wisdom and truth. Instead of the low way, we're going to choose the high way. And instead of all the noise, the drift, the disorder, we're going to choose the quiet, the wisdom, and the fruitfulness. We're going to go from the noise to all the way to quiet, to and peacefulness to choosing wisdom. So join us. We're going to slow down. We're going to live slow. We're going to work on healing and restoration together. And stay with us on this, the path to peace. It's the best path. It may be narrow at times in our lives, or maybe through our whole life, but it is so worth it. So no one nor family shall do life alone. Do reach out and connect with us. We appreciate you. We are thankful for you, and take care.